what is that mathematical idea that maps are fundamentally based on? Something we've actually already talked about already in the tour. Scale, similarity, ratios. The notion that we can take one shape and make another copy of the shape with everything blown up by the same factor is extremely powerful. And now we can see the structure of the entire mall at a glance. And all we need to know is one measurement on this and one measurement in the real world, and suddenly we know everything about the mall. It's an incredibly powerful technique. So, well, we're right here at swatch. So I'm gonna measure the width of swatch on the map. It's 1/4 inch. And now somebody can help me. We'll measure swatch in real life. Okay, very good. Just right at the corner there. Perfect. And okay, 16 feet exactly. So we now know that 1/4 inch on this map is 16 feet. So if we take any measurement on this map, multiply the number of inches of the measurement by 64, we'll get the size of that thing in real life in feet. And now we can ask all kinds of questions.